Hello friends, welcome back. So in last video we have seen how to create resource location and how to install cloud connectors. So on this video we are going to see Citrix Cloud Identity and Access Management. Okay, so once you log in into Citrix Cloud, go to here and click Identity and Access Management. Okay, here you can see our Citrix identity is showing on green. Active Directory we seen in last video. The cloud connector which we created to cloud connectors. Okay, now let's go on the administrator tab. Okay, here you can see I am the full administrator, and if I want to add one more person as administrator or custom admin, so how should we go and add him or her? Okay, that particular, so click here, click on Citrix identity, type that person email address and invite them. So let me do. Okay, so I have added the email address, that is my CloudOps email address, and I'm clicking on invite. Okay, so once you click on invite, one window will pop up and it will ask you which access you want to give. So suppose if you want to give full access, click on full access, and if you want to custom access, click on custom. So I want to give a custom access. Okay, so what the custom access? So I want this person should able to browse the library, able to browse the resource location, and what else? Workspace configuration, and there are many more options, so we have not selected the taken the services. So once you have each and every service like virtual apps, directory gateways, everything, so you may able to see here. So I have limited services, so I have selected this, plus I want notification also. Okay, so let's click on send invite. So I just click on send invite. So you can see here the invitation goes to cloud operations. Okay, so now let's go back to the cloud operation Gmail access and click on invite. Okay, so let's go back. So here you can see guys, I got an email and it's came within a minute. You can see here 1 minute ago, and here is the invite link. So let's click on sign in and sign with the new user. So I have updated name, password, and clicking on continue. Okay, so I need to read the password. Signing in. Okay, so you guys see here Citrix Cloud account has been created. Okay, so let's sign in. So I have signed in with my ID only. Let me log off this because it's taking the same session. Okay, so here I am able to log in with the ID CloudOps. So you can see here the option which I have selected. I'm able to see only those. None of the services I'm able to see. And if you go here, identity and access management, you're not able to see here administrative, domain, all those options which we were able to see on the administrative access. So let's see here. Let's go back here. I'm already connected. See here, I'm able to see all those options, but here I'm not able to see those options. So this is what you can delegate your access. Okay, now let's go back the another option, API access. So you guys must have question why API access needed. Okay, so assume you are the Citrix administrator or architect of one of the organization, and they are going to implement some Terraform script SDK. Okay, then that require secure ID and access ID. So how to create that? Okay, so simple, come here in identity and access management and come here in API access, give your client name. So I'm going here and giving CloudOps. You can give whatever it is. Okay, and click on create client. Okay, so once you click on create client, okay, you can see here it is giving the ID and the secret ID. Okay, so you can download also or copy from here also. So okay, so I'm going to download this. Okay, and I'm going to open that. So here you can see this is my API access ID name. This is my ID and this is my secret access key. Okay, so if you are using any SDK on any scripting for Citrix Cloud, you need to have this. Okay, so this is how we can create a secure ID API access. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Okay, so I'm going back. Okay, so now suppose here we are seeing Citrix Cloud, but I want as an architect, as a Citrix administrator, cloud administrator, I want my company logo to be while logging into the front page. So how you are going to do that? Simple, click here, go to account settings and click here. There is a drop box, browse your logo. Once you browse, click and open, or you can also drag and drop. So you can see the logo is here. If you want to delete, we can delete and create a new logo also. So now let's go back. So let's summarize what we seen so far. We seen how to add a logo on our cloud account, Citrix cloud account. Go to identity and access management. How to add administrator or limited administrator, custom administrator, the IAM user basically. Then how to create API access. So domain we seen in last video how to connect cloud connector, how to install cloud connector. Okay, so this is what Citrix Cloud Identity and Access Management. Hope you like this video. If you like, then give a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please write in the comment sections. I will try to respond back. Okay, that's it. So stay tuned for the next videos.